This is how to cancel tap on your FNB debit card. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. You may just need to look for the same options as we go through it. First, open the FNB app and log in. Once you are logged in, stay on the home screen. Scroll down on the home screen until you find cards. You might need to scroll a little to see it. Tap Cards. You will now see a list of all your cards. Tap the debit card you want to manage. You will now be taken to the options screen for your card. On this screen, you will see options like Cancel Card, Update Limits, Manage PIN, Temporarily Block My Card, and Update Online Secure. This is where you manage your card. If you want to cancel your card completely, tap Cancel Card. This is also the section where card cancellations are managed. However, if you only want to cancel tap payments and keep your card active, the FNB app does not currently have a tap on or off switch. To cancel tap only, you will need to visit an FNB branch or phone FNB support and ask them to disable contactless payments on your card. They will disable tap while keeping your card active for chip and PIN payments. And that's it. That's how you cancel tap on your FNB debit card. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.